Mr. Isaac Newton, states that the two objects in space attract with one another that is proportional to their masses, m1 times m2, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, r squared. Looks like this mathematically. An English scientist, Henry Cavendish, measured the force of attraction between two objects. As a result of Henry Cavendish's work, Newton's original statement was refined to this specific formula: F is equals to G times m1 times m2 divided r squared.
Sample problem. Finding the gravitational force with a given m1, 5.972 times 10 raised to 24 kg, m2, 0.5 kg, r1, 6,371 km, converted to 6,371,000 meter, r2, 2 meter. The total radius is 6,371,002 meter, and the gravitational constant is 6.67 times 10 raised to negative 11 Newton meter squared over kilogram squared. And our formula for finding our gravitational force is Fg is equals to gravitational constant, the two masses, divided by the square root of radius. So we should have to substitute the value. 6.67 times 10 negative 11 Newton meter squared per kilogram squared, multiplied by 5.972 times 10 raised to 24 kilogram, multiplied by 0.5 kilogram, divided by 6,371,002 meter squared. Is equals to 1.992 times 10 raised to 14 Newton meter squared, divided by 4.059 times 10 raised to 13 meter squared. Cancel the same unit. The gravitational force is equals to 4.91 Newton.